Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean, pretty much brand new. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, we have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders, as well as a 12-volt and two USBs, and fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And now looking in the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 55,517 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at things such as your digital speedometer, trip 1 info, trip timer, distance to empty, fuel economy for said trip. You can also go into your trip 2 and your fuel economy separately. And then you can go into your driver assist settings and general settings for your screen setup. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it, as well as your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. But then moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls and trailer brake controller below that. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. And down below, you have another 12-volt as well as two USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge, as well as having a shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for tow, haul, and sport modes. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you actually have another compartment underneath that with some flip out cup holders like so you have even more storage. And you can have some drinks while the seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.